In this video, I will explain how to use the English suffix "en". Many English words use suffixes. If we understand how English suffixes are used and what they mean, we can increase our vocabulary. Keep watching. English suffixes are used in many different ways. We use suffixes to make the plural form of many nouns. And to make the comparative form of adjectives. En is an example of an English suffix. We can use this suffix to change words we already know into new words. Let's learn more with some real examples. Do you know the word length? Length is a noun that means the size or measurement of something from one end to the other. How long something is. The waist of my jeans is okay, but I'm not happy with the length. They are too short. If we add the suffix "en" to the noun length, we get the word lengthen. Lengthen is a verb that means to make something longer. I need to lengthen these jeans. I should probably hire a professional. Here are some more examples. The noun height becomes the verb heighten. The verb heighten means to make something taller, give it more height, or rise to a higher level. Before the Prime Minister arrived at the hotel, they had to heighten security. This means they had to increase the level of security. The verb strengthen means to make something stronger, give it more strength. If you suffer from lower back pain, you should do exercises that strengthen your core muscles. This means you should do exercises that make your stomach and lower back muscles stronger. Suffix "en", changing adjectives to verbs. The adjective sweet becomes the verb sweeten, which means to make sweet. I sweeten my cakes with maple syrup instead of sugar. It's healthier. The verb brighten means to make bright. The big window really brightens the room. This means the big window lets more sunlight come into the room, which makes it brighter. The verb shorten means to make short. The new jeans I bought are almost perfect. I just have to take them to the tailor to shorten them. Some verbs use the suffix "en" to make their past participle form. Take, took, taken. Choose, chose, chosen. Break, broke, broken. How to use the past participle. We can use the past participle verb form as an adjective. My iPhone is broken. We use the past participle verb form with the past perfect tense. Someone has broken my iPhone. And we use the past participle verb form with the passive voice. My iPhone was broken. An adjective will follow the verb to be. The past perfect tense will follow the verb have, has, and the passive voice will follow the verb was, were. For more study, there are links to my perfect tense and passive voice blog posts in the description of this video. And if you're enjoying the video, remember to hit that like button. We use the suffix "en" to make the plural of some nouns. These are the only 3 examples I could find. Children is the most common of these 3 words. I don't have many opportunities to talk about ox. And brethren is not very common at all. I never use it. Another use for the English suffix "en" is to change nouns to adjectives. These adjectives mean made of that thing. Wooden means made of wood. I just bought a new wooden coffee table for my living room. It was on sale. A wooden table is a table made of wood. Wooden crates, a wooden spoon. Golden is an adjective that can mean made of gold or very good or valuable. How we use this adjective is a little different, so let me explain with some examples. Gold is a precious metal, so things made of gold have value. They are valuable. They are worth a lot. In Japan, we have 3 national holidays in the same week at the end of April. We call this Golden Week because you can have a long holiday. It is rare to have 3 days off in the same week, so it's valuable. When we have a good chance to do something, we call it a golden opportunity. I will visit my wife's family this weekend. They can't speak English, so this is a golden opportunity for me to practice my Japanese. Made of gold, common use. We use golden to describe things that are special, not usually made of gold. Indiana Jones found a golden statue in the cave. Statues are often made of clay or stone, so a statue made of gold is special. It's valuable. Another example is an American boxing competition called the Golden Gloves. Golden Glove boxing competitions happen across the country. If you win a Golden Gloves tournament, you are a great boxer. Gold or golden. If something is commonly made from gold, like a ring or a necklace, we can just use gold as an adjective to mean made of gold. My boss always wears a gold watch to work. I should ask for a raise. I bought gold earrings for my wife for Christmas. Golden can also mean gold-colored. She is tall with golden hair. Learn more about the suffix "en" at my blog post. You can find the blog link in the description of this video. Join my newsletter family and get my 32-page ebook, 5 Simple English Communication Tips free. And get access to many great English PDF downloads, plus English in your inbox every week. Join my English newsletter by clicking here. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day.